It's so sweet. It's so sweet to trust in Jesus, just to take him at his word, just to rest upon his promise, just to know that Savior.
When God speaks, it's like I'm ready to battle. Rattle the snakes out of Seattle. Fools be like cattle, so we rounding them up. Ice in the saddle when grabbing the reins. The only constant thing in life is constant change. Most heads can't hang cause they wasn't ready. Steady your head, study the word. Walk in the light of the sun's reflection off the canvas of light, falling like night. If life is a cipher, the Christ is the right rhyme. And I'ma be the one to say, verbally spray. Mental relate is so sweet, knowing the Lord of all creation. Revolutionize your whole mentality. Christ is the life, what I am to MC. Bringing it fat B, I am is not me. Check your history, the deal is revealing the hidden mystery. Names like Alpha and Omega, and now for something deep. Just knowing his name is plain sweet. And now for something even deeper, just saying his name is even sweeter than that.
Jesus,
Come on.
now I trust in him o'er and over again.
Jesus, say his name, Jesus, precious Lord. Sing along, tis so sweet.
It's so sweet to love my Lord. You can front, but you cannot afford to miss this chance. It's up to you. What you gonna do when God
Skip
comes
stones
back?
in a minefield. Swimming shark-infested waters, playing traffic and fist fight with professional boxers. Take a bullet for the cause just because I trust his grace, his power, his justice, and his law. And he's all that I am, like water to a steamboat as I move across the nation in my technicolor dream coat. When most are caught up in the C notes and weed smoke, Christ remains a source that my team quotes. Fights for humanity, those exploited by the factory. Take domestic battery, base police brutality. See, we tread far ahead, and where most rappers be, steal the art, repackage it, try to sell it back to me. God,